SnoofyBee Clean Hands Changing Pad 3 inches 1 by SnoofyBee is one of the best baby diaper changing kits products. SnoofyBee's 3 inches 1 changing pad and diaper clutch is an innovative solution to the diaper changing challenges you face with your baby. The creators of the product came up with the idea after having several children of their own. They discovered that the minute their baby's diaper came off, the little one's hands instantly went south to investigate and get their hands dirty. After searching for products and accessories that would solve this messy problem, and not finding anything, they decided to try their hand at a sewing machine. Thus, the SnoofyBee changing pad was born. This revolutionary baby accessory features a toy attachment barrier that keeps babies happy and occupied while they are being changed, so you don't have to battle their curiosity while trying to contain the mess. Rest easy knowing that this barrier is easy to clean and will keep your little one clean and safe during diaper changes. They love this makeshift play area where you can hang their favorite rattles and dolls above them, and you'll love that you can pack it down into a fashionable clutch after you're finished with it. Your baby gear isn't complete without this accessory, especially if your family enjoys traveling or camping. Don't risk setting your baby down on the uncomfortable outdoor dirt or on a public surface and exposing them to the germs. Instead, unpack their hygienic diaper changing pad and ensure that they stay clean and comfortable. Do yourself and your child a favor and change them on the safe comfort of a SnoofyBee diaper pad. Patent, US 907, 412B to ease your diaper changes. Your baby's fidgety, curious little hands can make diaper changes a challenge. This take-along changing station resolves the struggles that new parents face. The sides fold up and create a barrier that you can use for attaching toys to keep your child's hands occupied while you clean them up. Afterward, the manufacturer's foldable pad packs down to a small clutch size for your diaper bag. Simple care instructions. Hygiene is important to the health of your newborn. You won't have to go to great lengths to keep these changing pads fresh and clean for your infant. The manufacturer's convenient wipeable changing pad is 100% polyester and easy to care for. Wipe clean after each use and hand wash when needed. Be careful not to put in the dryer, iron directly, or use undiluted bleach on the pad. Great as baby gifts. If you're looking for the perfect unisex baby shower or first birthday present that works for a boy or a girl, you've come across the right product. This play changing pad is recommended for newborns to 2-year-old toddlers. It's the best addition to anyone's baby supplies. Parents who like to travel will love its light, portable convenience. Works well in any nursery. Large surface area. Your sweet baby will have plenty of wiggle room on this diaper changing mat. The changing surface measures 27 inches by 13 inches. When the barrier is laid flat, the width increases to 26 inches. When closed, the mat measures 13 inches by 7 inches by 3 inches. The redirection barrier on children with a lower chest size of 22 inches or less. Comfy, water-resistant pad. Babies inevitably become fussy when they're uncomfortable, which is why we've made this pad to include a 4 inches thick foam pillow to support your baby's back, shoulders, and head. Parents and kids alike will appreciate the water-resistant properties of the polyester, ensuring dry comfort for baby, and easy cleaning for mommy.